So today's adventure takes us out to the pet store to get boots for Brandy. Well, she's got her new boots on, and I'm not going to film her peeing. There, she got her new boots on, and look at her go. She loves her new boots. She was out shopping with Nan. What an adventure that was. Oh, what a silly goose. What a silly goose. I think them boots look pretty cool on you. I think you're pretty fashionable. You're a pretty fashionable dog, if I must say so. At least to keep the paws warm and clean. Staying there. Huh? What are you saying? Wanna go for a trot around? Let's go. Slow down there. Well, the muttlucks are holding up there, staying on. You put them on the proper way and tighten them up nice and tight. They seem to withstand the walking. So, gotta say, it's a good product. Happy with it. I remember I had some from some other brand years ago for her older brother, and well, he wouldn't keep them on and they would fall off and all that. But anyway, looking good. You got quite the trot going there. For your first day in your new boots, they're not too bad. You're not walking too funny. Although in the store you were walking quite funny, I will say that. Oh boy. What we do for our beloved pets. You look like a real old Canadian dog. Well, of course you are. You're a Nova Scotia duck-tolling retriever. So, of course you are a Canadian dog. Right? Yeah. Okay, let's go up the steps. Say bye to everybody. See you again in the next video.